across the barn, and her lips came together.
Grapes of Wrath by John Steinbeck. If you...
Entertaining ourselves, do we? Aren't you?
Nope. You're mad.
No, it's
because
just you're
I
being
wanted to
ridiculous
listen to
because you
music.
have a great life.
I'm sorry, I'm East Coast.
Your dad and I will barely be able to afford in-state tuition.
There are-
Berkeley. Your father's company is laying off people right and left. Did you even know heart is already a luxury?
Immaculate fart. You wanted that, not me.
Miguel saw
I saw that. I want to go where culture is, like
how
New
in the
York.
world did I raise
Practice
the way
enough.
that you work, or the way that you don't work? You're not even worth state. You know, with your work ethic, just go to city college and then to jail and then back to city.
Amen. Let the Lord be with you.
And also Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. The United States of America, and to the republic.
Boys and healthy vending machines because no one wants a muffin with that many calories.
I'm not gonna tell you. That is none of your business. Those aren't the rules, this is mine.
And we're afraid of what the future will bring. We're afraid that we...
There are the classics. St. Augustine, of course. Aquinas.
El segundo tema de los desafíos globales.
Amen.
Some of the students were disturbed.
It's my tradition to run for office. Don't worry, I won't win.
You have a performative streak, I think.
Yeah, I think...
It's a collaborative effort with the men at Xavier.
How am I a senior and not...
Play, and from what I hear, it's a real blast.
What I'd really like... Here you go. I'm not sure you're right. Beautiful.
If I lived here, I would definitely have my upstairs to the TV room. I'd have my own bathroom.
Customer Miguel, I'm always right.
Ever since she moved in, your brother and I look like that.
Yeah, just once I'd like to have the song New York Groove play.
Your parents would pay for that?
Scholarships, financial aid.
Gonna go to city college.
Put the magazine back!
No pencils anymore.
Yeah, I just gotta go back to quick tip markers,
Right.
Crayola.
You didn't have time to wrap it.
No, it's perfect.
Okay, good. I'll see.
This eve of parting turns to sand. Are warped with parting. Break the thought.
Did you know toothpaste is basically ineffective?
Only 56.
Can Shelly and I get in there?
In a minute, honey. Do you think that Shelly and Miguel have sex? Take too long, you make a big mess, and I have to clean the whole thing up.
Eggs aren't good for the environment anymore.
You wear leather jackets.
But they're vintage, so they don't support the industry.
They aren't.
Your own fucking eggs.
I wanted to. You won't let me. Sister doesn't like me. Wrote this song in only 10 minutes.
I believe it.
But Mom can't know.
Aren't they quite expensive?
About it before I have to. Just pull over here. Think about college.
See what I can do.
Thanks, Dad. Sweet. He's not your uncle.
Just something fatter.
Me too. Matt's awesome.
Yeah.
Jenna Walton's not doing any off-roading. She just goes to pavilions. Maybe we should try tanning.
Yeah.
And then the water just... I take the shower head. It's different when you actually have a penis in there, like it's more intense. Ladybird.
Is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it?
Don't, everybody says don't, everybody says don't, it isn't right. Don't it.
Rolling along. I bring hope where there is dark.
There are giants in the sky. When you're way up high and you look below at the world you left and the thing.
Congratulations.
You too, we both got it.
One who had a dress and prepared a song.
I know.
Now you're gonna be all romantic. Mom,
We don't need to buy. No, we're not rich people.
hey,
Hi.
come here often? To say what's up and I'll see you in rehearsal.
Thanks, I'm super excited.
Wow, there's so many of you.
Irish Catholic. It's hard to find a girl to do that.
Yeah,
Like Jim Morrison, very 70s.
like Jim. Who is Jim Morrison again?
He was in a rock band, moron.
Mana.
Mana.
Manala.
Two.
See the pretty countryside.
starting now. I'm playing too.
I heard that before he became a priest, he was married and Oh, that's her. Gotta go. Bye, guys.
These hot rollers for your Jim Morrison hair.
They look like sperms.
What happened?
We were flying to Disneyland on a.
I also love it.
So everybody clear on applying the rules? Aha, thank you. That's what I like to hear. All right, so I'm gonna be passing back the ones you missed.
Don't get why I'm not good at math. My dad is really good at math.
Even 6 inches for the...
Guys. Oh, no, my mom's coming.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is. My dad had a job that took him to...
I've never been out of the country. It's my dream to go.
Wasn't useful.
It is if you want to go to Paris. Still don't know how to use those rollers that you gave me.
Oh, you twist the hair like this.
Is she home?
Maybe just leave it tonight.
No, she knows better.
My clothes
now.
away. My name is
Don't
Lady
lie to
Bird.
me. This uniform, this is gonna look like
My clothes.
Your father probably wouldn't anyway. He's Mr. Nice Guy, and I always have to be the bad
Can we
guy.
please just talk about this?
It looks like his family is trash. You understand?
Sleep without putting all your clothes away perfectly. Like even once.
No way.
Then you'll be applying to UCs and state schools.
Yep.
You definitely couldn't get in. I had placed some calls to local alumni of the schools you're interested in.
Dreams don't die so.
Mom was always mad. Doesn't matter if I get home late. Pick a star for us. That's our star.
I respect you too much for that.
Amita.
I respect you so much.
Bruce.
It's normal to not touch a penis. I hate being alone.
I love you.
Did Danny say whether his grandma, the CEO of ISC, that was pretty formal. Thanksgiving with a family you've never met instead of us, but I don't know, I guess you want it. No, I want to see a picture at checkout. Okay.
Why didn't you just say pick up your feet?
I didn't know if you were
You
tired.
were being passive aggressive.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna count on you to reconstruct it, okay? Now I know you... Pretty sure it was an A.
I'm not, but okay.
Hey, I think B.
Slightly better.
It brought my average up to a B.
Hello, Danny, the famous Danny. Everything, wow.
Yeah, well, thank you for letting Lady Bird come to my grandma.
Fierce.
Sit down, Danny. Can I get you something to drink?
Shelly
What?
is my name.
And so Lady Bird always says that she lives on the wrong side of the tracks, but I was...
What the hell is in the duffel bag?
Don't worry about it, jeez.
Oh, well, thank you so much for having us.
Oh my god. Is this a joke?
Would you mind doing the whole table for me?
Okay.
Well, no.
It's not working.
It's not?
No.
My sister said this was pretty...
Working.
I know.
Wouldn't his parents get it? Oh yeah, we'd have to kill them. Where's Mr.
How's it going? Giving. We missed you, Lady Bird.
Why does that cigarette? Your mom was really sad you weren't here. She took me in. I admire her.
It started out like a song.
Becky, this is Jules. She's one of my brightest students.
Stunning. Congratulations.
Damn it. Where are you going? There's never a line in the men's room.
Moisture away from your feet.
My feet always have moisture. Mom.
How'd you know it was me?
Mom doesn't knock.
No! Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Why we have computer shut-off time. This is our room.
Okay, just can you drive me to the park? Hey. I saw your Thanksgiving show. My name's Lady, always talking about how great your band is, so I wanted to check it out.
I'm not paying you to flirt.
I wasn't flirting.
Sky and count the stars if you can. Just so, he added, shall...
So funny. Oh, here you go. From Uncle Matt. I think he's...
My mom called me during it. Skirt check was on my cell phone. The one she...
Wait, what was the emergency?
What?
Ladies, skirts.
Zeta-Jones is all up in my job. Zeta-Jones back.
Oh.
You'll see. Meet me in the teacher's parking lot at 3. I'll have the materials.
Prom themes. Top options so far. Cities of the
Take a knee. Huh?
What?
Cozy sit.
Now, usually I'm the JV football coach, but if you can pull out your scripts, I've assigned a number to each of your roles. I had Miss Patty here assign roles since she knows you all. So,
Wait, where do you live?
A story blue one with the white shutters and the American flag in the front. Maybe we should go to the Deuce. I was talking to Kyle about it, and he was responsibility.
1, right? You're gonna run kind of a skinny post right up front. I want you to look straight up amongst yourselves. Now, coming in slow. We're singing. And you come in hot! You come in hot!
We were in one parking lot, and we went to another parking lot.
What you did was very baller. It was very anarchist.
Yeah,
What?
sorry. That was an exaggeration.
You work at New Helvetia, right?
Right. It's my parents' number.
You know the cell phone? Oh, the cell phones. See?
Wow.
Before they put them in our brains.
What do you want from me? I've gone anyway. My mom was pissed about Thanksgiving.
Your mom is... No, she's warm, yeah, but she's also kind of scary.
Well, you can't be scared.
Please. I'm so sorry about everything. I'm so... Tell my mom and dad and...
Don't worry.
It's okay.
Who do you turn to when you feel this way? There's no wrong answer.
You are dust, and to dust you will return. You are dust, and you are dust, and
Davis?
Davis is...
To accept me. You and Miguel went there. I'm a legacy.
Not if we don't...
Say anything!
I didn't put down my race!
Oh, yeah, I'm sure they had mine.
I didn't raise you like this.
I don't have to go anywhere. I'm not going to a shit in your face.
We're industrially produced, never clothes.
What's wrong with clothes? So, you know, it's a force of habit.
It has fiber. Participate in our economy. I don't like money. I'm super into it. It mattered to my dad that.
Yeah, I haven't had sex yet with another person.
No, neither.
Really?
Yes.
Tanning bed. Julie will love this.
Who's Julie?
Lady Bird, you can't lock the...
I guess...
If you need to use 2 towels, you just have to say, because this affects my whole day. Get going.
All time to have sex.
You're having sex? About.
Okay.
Why do you ask that?
The pill. I didn't know that.
Anything in and of itself, it just means that you're successful.
Yeah, but then you're...
Why? Because it's soul killing. We act locally. You feel that the person who said daughters to Immaculate Heart. I wanna be a mom.
Start simple with X plus 3.
Julie, hey. What do you want, Kyle, enough?
I'm sorry that you're jealous.
Just never showed up to claim it.
What role?
The Tempest. Do anything unless you're the center of attention, can you?
Yeah, well, you know your
Girl was pregnant. She decided that she was going to get, and a deep inside of her said, no.
Bingo.
Friend?
No. The girl in the story wanted to abort. That could have been me. That could have been Sharon.
I said... saying that if you took up-close pictures of my vagina, you wouldn't have to sit through this stupid assembly.
For you, everything. Do you think I like driving that car around?
No.
Do you? The public school, is that what you want? Larry, what are you doing on the computer?
Nothing.
Didn't mean to.
You made him feel horrible. Horrible.
I'm sorry.
Do you know
Marion,
that?
you did-
And nobody ever gets hurt. Wrong side of the tracks. Whatever we give you, it's never enough. It's never enough.
It is enough.
Do you have it? What?
You give me a number for how much it costs to raise me, and I'm gonna get old.
You will be able to get a job good enough to do that.
That's right, yeah, the likes of which many U.S. military...
Hello? Hey. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, I guess they've been stockpiling mini liquor.
I don't know, where?
Ding dong, I'm outside.
Hello?
Hi.
House.
Yeah.
Why did you say it was your house?
I didn't lie.
You lied. You're a liar. Apology accepted, I guess.
It's hard work indeed, believe me. We've had to do it ourselves.
You're so dexterous with that. Sorry, I was confused.
Yeah, boy. Here.
Thanks. Sorry.
You can read Sea Ranch if you look close.
Like how 10 years ago you were in first grade and now we cut to.
Saying's making any sense.
How we're not virgins now. We deflowered. Sorry.
Wait.
You said you were a virgin.
I didn't, because I'm not. And I haven't lied.
You don't even know if it's 6 people?
I think you might have made an assumption. I mean, for this, it's stupid. You can't be mad at me for something I have no control over.
I just wanted it to...
You mean, like, awareness of how many civilians we've killed since the invasion in Iraq?
I thought Miguel was gonna pick me up.
Well, I was just arriving. Oh, sweater.
This is my friend.
You want to do our favorite Sunday activity? I don't have a second shift.
Holy shit.
You'll find something different.
Yeah, but they're like babies. Wow, that must have been a lot of work.
It was.
I heard ISC.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Talk about the position. Celebrate your wait list.
Okay. Don't tell Mom about the...
I guess we're going for the same job then.
Go get him.
Thanks.
We did the just married thing.
It wasn't me.
I'm not going home before we noticed people were honking.
Really?
I read your college essay. And with such care.
Well, I was just describing it.
Well, the same thing. Love and attention. Guess you won't be going to any dances in college. Is there allowed
acting? Why don't I look like the girl who even was?
No, I'd still like to meet him. It's too honey, you seem upset about it, and I'm
You're
trying to help.
giving me an eating disorder. I love it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was telling you the truth. You want me to lie? Of course I love you. You to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
Really?
Yeah, you look like a badass girl in a band.
You get in the car with a guy who honks, are you?
I think, yeah.
Have a good time.
Hey guys, I guess I'll just sit shotgun. Hi.
Hey. Sounds great. Okay. Hey, do you guys want...
I love it.
I don't really want to do that.
She's my best friend.
Are you okay? I'm fine. What happened? Tabby.
We ate all the cheese. It was okay. Lots of cheese. Go to prom. Doesn't your mom have a dress?
Let's be honest, I had a
Dress time. I hope it fits.
Got the claws in you, my friend, my soul, sweet you are, you.
People make so much badly, but then I found that we're not a virgin. I can't wait for State Fair.
I'm not gonna be here this summer like all summer. I start SEC.
Oh.
I'm fuck out of you. Probably.
Now I want which pierces so that it assaults mercy itself.
Hey, so I talked to my manager, and you can totally take over my OB.
Oh, I miss you guys.
What?
I'm not even in yet, so this might not even be a problem. Going to New York. Mom. Yes, I know it was probably easier because 9/11 and less people applying. Please, Mom. Please. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean... Just... Please. To me.
Here. You passed?
Seriously?
Yes.
Come in. Remembered.
You're my only daughter.
frustrates her.
I wish she'd talk to me. Do you want some?
Yes.
ID? That would be 1087.
Birthday.
You refinanced the house. You're only supposed to use it for emergency.
Nights alone, still out of breath, sunrise pregnant.
You're driving. You're welcome.
You're not coming.
Security. Parking's too expensive.
She'll come back.
Why not?
It's ridiculous.
But they won't believe in God.
What's your name?